Hello, my name is Karen King, and today I want to share a meditation or a visualization on aging, written by Donna Mauer. In the natural course of living, the body becomes less efficient and agile in its functioning. It's important that we reduce consumption of cooked foods, especially overcooked, fried, and browned foods. And we need to cut our portion sizes down by about 15% and focus on eating primarily non-animal products and copious amounts of vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Taking a multivitamin supplement that contains folic acid, niacin, and vitamin B12 helps to prevent telomere shortening, an indication of aging. In addition to nutritional changes, we must treat the mind by avoiding the limiting beliefs that many associate with aging. Thoughts such as, I'm too old, I'm worthless and no good for anything. These words can eventually make us feel alone and disconnected. It's important to repeat an affirmation every day whenever those negative thoughts arise. I am overflowing with the love of being me. I have purpose. My connection to life is electric and feeds me with endless vitality. My body and spirit are filled with youthful vigor and a zest for life. And now, I would like to begin a visualization that will help you maintain your self-worth and sense of purpose as you age. After all, we all do that. So I ask you to sit up straight, breathe in through the nose, and breathe out through the mouth. Continue your breathing, allowing your breath to become slower and deeper in the body cavity, all the way to the base of the spine. Imagine the breath to be a ball of energy moving up the spinal column, releasing tension in muscle, bone, nerves, and tissue on its path to the top of your head, the crown center. And from the crown center, release the breath. Let the energy of the breath shower around your body, coating your body like cotton candy on its paper stem. Do that breath 3 more times, and then allow your breath to return to normal.
You are standing in a pool of gently swirling water. This water has been generated from a spring from beneath the earth and contains the primordial essence of life. The aquamarine tinted water is clear, pure, and full of glistening life and energy. Each water droplet sparkles with the exuberance of youth and eternal vitality. You wade in this refreshing water, splashing it on your skin, and while doing so, you notice your skin absorbs the water immediately. Your skin drinks in the youthful energy locked into the water droplets. Observe how your skin transforms within seconds by taking on a glowing appearance, free of any blemishes and wrinkles. You are like a prism radiating many beautiful, vibrant colors. You feel and stretch into this beautiful skin, gliding and dancing freely in the crystal clear water. You gently splash your eyes with the water, and instantly you can see perfectly and distinctly. Now you lie down in the water, allowing it to cover your entire body surface. With each breath you take, you can see the energy of the water permeating your body. And before long, the water in your body is replaced with the healing water of the pool. Every cell in your body is bathed in the fluid of this pure, blue, shining water. And you are at peace. There is a feeling of contentment pervading your entire being. The water carries out all the accumulated toxins from the cells, relieving them of the burdens of aging. Their load is lightened and they are cleaned from the debris of aging, and any blocks to wellness are removed instantaneously. The tiny machinery inside your cells starts to run more efficiently, and now they glide seamlessly through their usual motions. You are full of childlike energy. All opportunities are possible. You notice your joints feel fluid. Your mind is clear of distraction and outdated thoughts. Your heart and blood vessels are clear from obstruction, and they pump through you a warm river of pure blood. Your body is once again full of renewed life and vitality. All signs of aging have been swept from your face. You are once again young in body and in spirit. And now, dear one, I ask you to meditate on a radiant, golden core of energy inside your low belly. For the first couple of minutes of meditation, see the sphere of energy expanding and becoming brighter with each breath. This breath fills you with vital life force energy. And for the remaining minutes, allow yourself to bask in the glow of your life force and in the light of fulfillment. Namaste.